What if outsourcing civil engineering projects promised faster delivery and lower costs, yet often created unexpected setbacks that drained valuable resources? Many firms enter partnerships with high expectations, only to face hidden costs, compliance issues, and delays that undermine the initial promise of savings. This discussion uncovers the major risks, especially those hidden fees that frequently disrupt outsourcing agreements, backed by industry insights and global project experience. The focus is on practical strategies to evaluate partners effectively, ensuring smarter outsourcing decisions that protect budgets and strengthen results. Have you ever encountered a surprise invoice from an outsourcing partner? Share your experience in the comments as we begin by exposing the most common myths. One of the most damaging risks in outsourcing is communication breakdown. In global civil engineering projects, differences in time zones, languages, or software tools can easily lead to misinterpretations of design drawings. A single misread plan can trigger weeks of rework, inflating budgets and creating tension among stakeholders. This is not an isolated issue. It is an industry-wide problem that catches even experienced teams off guard. Compliance is another underestimated risk. When outsourcing partners lack a clear understanding of local building codes or environmental requirements, the consequences may include costly redesigns, unexpected fines, and reputational damage with regulators. Quality concerns further intensify the pressure. Rushed structural analyses or flawed BIM models may pass initial checks but later fail inspections, significantly delaying projects. In many cases, overall costs rise because partner capabilities were not thoroughly vetted from the outset. Intellectual property theft is also a growing concern. Designs and models handed to unverified partners sometimes reappear in competitor bids, undermining the value of original innovation. On a global scale, timeline slippages can be just as damaging. Major projects have suffered delays when incompatible software systems prevented seamless collaboration, ultimately leading to severe financial and operational setbacks. Yet despite these challenges, outsourcing can deliver exceptional results when approached strategically. AXA Engineers has built its reputation on turning potential risks into measurable advantages. With more than a decade of global experience, AXA Engineers has guided projects to success by emphasizing disciplined evaluation, transparent pricing, and phased collaboration. Instead of relying on promises, AXA Engineers verifies credentials, reviews independent references, and encourages starting with smaller pilot projects before scaling up. This approach secures reliability while safeguarding budgets. Transparent pricing is another cornerstone. Many outsourcing contracts fail because hidden fees surface late in the process. AXA Engineers addresses this by clarifying revision costs, contingencies, and compliance checks from the beginning. This reduces financial surprises and helps partners plan with greater accuracy. A major urban development project demonstrated how thorough vetting and structured collaboration could transform outsourcing from a liability into a real advantage. Many companies are tempted by the lowest price proposals, but this is one of the most common mistakes in civil engineering outsourcing. The reality is that low initial costs rarely translate into long-term savings. Rather than treating outsourcing as a shortcut, firms should approach it as a disciplined process requiring comprehensive evaluation and careful management. When quality control, compliance assurance, and intellectual property protection are prioritized, outsourcing shifts from a potential risk to a powerful driver of innovation and efficiency. Success in outsourcing does not come from luck, it comes from preparation and methodology. Structured evaluation, ongoing communication, and respect for regional standards enable projects to minimize disruptions, maintain schedules, and build confidence. These practices form the foundation for expanding capabilities, leveraging external expertise, and delivering sustainable infrastructure instead of chasing short-term savings. For decision-makers navigating the complexities of outsourcing, the message is clear. Understand the myths, identify the risks, and commit to proven strategies. Civil engineering demands precision and resilience, and outsourcing must reflect those same standards. When managed correctly, outsourcing risks are no longer obstacles but tools to protect budgets, safeguard designs, and deliver projects that stand the test of time.